Birla White of Ultratech Cement Limited has the 7th largest white cement plant in the world, 4th largest in Asia and largest in India. From a single commodity product to multi-product branded portfolio manufacture, our progressive journey of 24 years has demonstrated a sustainable way of development. Inheriting the Aditya Birla Group value system comprising integrity, commitment, passion, seamlessness and speed, Birla White has adopted a holistic approach of best practices to create a sustainable way of livelihood for the rural community. To create and sustain the impact of livelihood programs, initiatives are also focused on health, outreach programs and implementing primary and high school education to support and empower the populace. The livelihood initiatives are staged at 3 levels: individual, community and the business level. Located amidst the arid areas of Rajasthan in the borders of Jodhpur and Nagaur districts, there are very few livelihood options. Birla White has initiated training into various trades in collaboration with the government and support agencies for rural youth such as plumbing, masonry, saving classes, electrification and mobile repairing with forward linkages.
मैं विनोद कुमार गांव खारिया खंगार बिरला वाइट ने जो कंप्यूटर प्रशिक्षण कार्यक्रम चलाए उसमें मैंने भाग लिया, जो मेरे लिए बहुत उपयोगी है। आज मैं स्कूल के विद्यार्थियों को कंप्यूटर शिक्षा प्रदान कर रहा हूं, जिससे मुझे पर महीना 7,000 रुपए की इनकम हो रही है।
The livelihood initiatives have provided income generation opportunities for youth both in rural and urban market and has brought immense confidence in the lives of unemployed youth for further growth. The community level initiatives concentrate on formation, training, strengthening and management support for growth of community-based organizations in the form of self-help groups and farmers clubs. The team has formed and facilitated more than 100 self-help groups for holistic development of rural women by encouraging their self-dependency and participation in the decision-making process and livelihood activities. Through self-help groups, rural women had initiated group-based livelihood activities like handloom center, ration shop, flour mill, handicrafts and have increased their ability to market their products through shops, stalls, fairs, exhibitions. On an average, the monthly income of associated households has increased by 20% to 30%.
मेरा नाम त्रिवेणी देवी है। मैं बिरला वाइट द्वारा बनाए गए खेतेश्वर महिला मंडल स्वयं सहायता समूह की सदस्य हूँ। समूह के द्वारा मुझे बैंक से लोन मिला है, जिससे ये दुकान शुरू की। इस दुकान के द्वारा होने वाली आय से मेरा घर आसानी से चलता है।
The farmers clubs and have successfully implemented technology extension programs for higher productivity. The livestock development program under Navjeevan Goshala project helps in improving and unproductive cows into productive and useful cows.
Birla White has been doing a pioneer work in transforming the lives of the women in and around the area of Khariya Khangar. We have been funding the self-help groups which are in the vicinity of Khariya Khangar. Birla Jan Seva Trust has been providing requisite expertise to the self-help group for the income generating activity. This has made a landmark difference in their lives that has increased their per capita income and also the incomes of their families.
Expanding the scope through the applicators training, Birla White has extended their reach to rural youth across India. The Pioneer program creates the migrated rural youth and women working as unskilled labor on construction sites into skilled labor. With Birla White's applicators training program, they are thoroughly trained and placed with the channel partners along with the support of the Birla White marketing team. A successful attempt to integrate community-based initiatives into business objective, creating difference in the lives of thousands of unemployed youth.
मेरा नाम शेख शकील शेख नादिर और मैं जलगांव ज़िले से हूँ। बिरला वाइट कंपनी ने मुझे ट्रेनिंग दी एप्लीकेटर की और वो ट्रेनिंग के बेस के ऊपर मुझे फ़ायदा हुआ है मार्केट के अंदर। मार्केट के अंदर मेरा नाम है और मुझे मार्केट से इसका रेट भी अच्छा मिलता है।
In line with the vision of the group of building foundation for a sustainable tomorrow, our key focus strongly include social responsibility with a strong CSR initiative. Birla White CSR team works in close coordination with government and NGOs to improve the rural livelihood of the community surrounding villages in the vicinity of our plant. Our team imparts necessary skills-based training to the rural youth in the various trades such as plumbing, motor rewinding, sewing and embroidery, computer and hardware maintenance, which has direct positive impact to improve their sustainable income source and make them self-reliant. The above community-related initiatives have become part and parcel of our business vision, and we are committed to synergizing growth of community with responsibility. Thank you.
The entire process has demonstrated seamless integration of plant, employees and society at large working in harmony to achieve sustainable growth of Human Development Index. An honest attempt of translating the group's CSR vision strategy into local level action is successfully transforming the social horizon.